My battery isn't dead. Shut up. There. How's that? Does it look a little crooked? What do you think? Check it.
Who's that?
No idea.
She's touched her crutch.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, shoot. Bruh. We're Pokemoning. You don't even have my Pokemons. The hell? Bruh. How did you do on Community Day?
I got a shiny.
I didn't get anything. I didn't get to do anything.
Well, I was driving through a blizzard, and so we turned on incense, which spawns them even if you're driving. It's away from
Clearance
you.
sale, dude.
Oh, I bet they don't have anything in there. Let's go look.
Okay. Do you want the little stick?
Do I want the little stick?
It's a simple question.
No, do you?
I mean, sick.
So I guess what we're gonna work on is communication.
Nothing wrong with our communication.
Tell me how you really feel. I think that's how that goes.
Should I? Should I tell you how I really feel?
Let's.
I feel like I do a pretty good job of telling you how I feel. What are you doing?
There's a belt. There's a belt on the championship belt.
Wow.
That's weird.
It's an accomplished poll.
Where are we going? Why are we in the cold? Oh, we haven't eaten pirate pizza. We haven't eaten pirate pizza. Oh, we're closed.
Damn it.
Stupid sign.
Let's get coffee.
Let's get coffee. All right. Quiche latte. I want a quiche latte. That's how we survive. Oh my God, it is way too cold.
Hi. Can I get a medium chai tea latte? Sure.
Can I get a small breve latte, please?
Breve, huh?
Okay.
Go on low carb.
That's all I ever drink.
It's a breve latte?
Yes.
I did not know that you
That's a
ever
funny thing
got
because you said
breve.
the exact same thing a month ago.
Dude, this is so hot.
You should have put a thing on it.
I didn't see them or else I would have. I wasn't prepared.
See if Dave.
Owie.
Oh shit.
Cool. All right, well, that's where our car is. We can run.
We can run. We can be the video. Be the video you want to see on the internet.
I don't want to tell a guy how to drive his train, but that honking was a little excessive. I wish I had a penny.
I don't think you can throw a penny accurately enough.
No, but you put them down before the train comes.
I wish I had a penny and some forethought. Look at this building. It's like they're like, hey, we should do a Wild West show, and then everybody backed out except them.
Hey, you know, if this train crashes, we're dead. That's a fun fact for you. Very ungraceful modes of transportation as far as wrecks go. Oh look, power plant? Is that really a power plant?
I think it used to be.
And now it's a pub and eatery.
Yep.
You want to go eat at the power plant?
I do, but you already ate. Wow, look at it sink when the cars go over it.
Wow.
That's insane.
I like the noises that it's making. Those are what I find comforting.
You think it's supposed to do that? It blows up. Bye, I love you.
Oh, there's an Electabuzz. Shit. Dang, another Electabuzz.
Oh, is that an Electabuzz?
Yeah, it's an Electabuzz.
Oh, there's a Feebas.
Where the hell he be? Oh my god, oh my god.
We're having a Feebas community day. Not
Oh
community
shit,
day.
for
Just
real?
a Feebas day. There's some items out.
These people with no jobs. No fucking jobs, not
Where's the-
doing fucking shit.
Where's the...
All y'all bitches with your nice cars and no jobs. I don't understand. What life are you living?
Yeah, who are these people driving around the dog
Look.
park in the middle of the day like they don't have any jobs?
Well, it's not the same people as the ones that are driving shittier cars in the middle of the day on their lunch break. What do you do for a living?
He walks his ugly ass basset hound.
I hate basset hounds. I hate them.
So ugly.
Ugh, I hate them. Why they always look sad.
And the older and droopier they get, the uglier and dumber they look.
Let me tell you something that I find weird. This is gonna sound sexist.
Okay,
Men should not wear leggings.
that's kind of weird.
There's
Wait,
a lot
what
of
if,
men in my gym that wear leggings.
what if they put shorts over them?
It's less weird then. But when I can see every little curve of your junk,
You ever known someone that plays volleyball?
I
You
mean,
can count their pubic hairs on either side of their vulva when they come into wherever you work and they're wearing their panty-free volleyball uniform. And you're like, I can make eye contact while I talk. Why you ain't got no chores on? You're not at volleyball right now.
God, there's just so many hills and stairs around here.
Mm-hmm. That's why it's called Parkville.
I don't think that really clarifies anything. Sunday worship at 11 a.m.
8:30 and 11.
Oh, they don't have Sunday school? Fucking heathen.
Fucking heathens, I swear. Better come get your man. I think he's lost in my DMs. I think he wants to be more than friends. Like a right?
Okay. This doesn't seem right.
Nope, maybe not. Maybe we're just lost.
Look, this is the shit I
Well,
was
just
talking
keep going.
about.
Just keep going
It's
straight.
exactly what I was talking about with you.
Oh, look at this guy with his forgot how to use a turn signal.
You ready? Because I'm
Yep,
going.
we're going.
Okay.
Whee! Oh my.
Can I go?
Yeah. Oops.
It's okay, people. We got you. It's okay. I got you. Ah, where do I go? Where do I go?
Keep going this way.
This way?
This way.
Okay. This way really didn't tell me which way. I just assumed. No, please go slower. My car is not supposed to roll forward and backward. Ooh. Don't get me stuck in this college again. You always get me in those places where I have to like drive backwards and shit.
Harassing.
Harassing?
Harassing. Now you kind of are harassing. Taking your sweet time pulling away from this guy that we're harassing. Oops.
Jesus. My battery isn't dead. Shut up.
It's not my fault.
Why am I splashing myself with my coffee?